Hey everyone, and welcome to my first review. Today we have a 2019 Toyota Corolla hatch. This example is the 1.2T XR CVT. Now this vehicle is in a very popular segment, with its main competitors being the VW Golf Mark 7, the Ford Focus, Hyundai i30 and the Mazda 3. So we'll go over the exterior, interior, performance and practicality. I will give you my opinion on each of these aspects. Then we'll go for a little drive. Hopefully this review will come in handy if you are looking to purchase this vehicle or if it's on your shortlist. Starting with the exterior, it has a very stylish design with a lot of sharp lines throughout. The side profile looks well proportioned and flows nicely to the front of the car. The front also has a striking design with these narrow headlights accompanied by this aggressive looking X design that Toyota started introducing to their recent vehicles. Now all variants of the Corolla hatch come standard with LED headlights, fog lights and tail lights. This model has 16-inch alloy wheels. The facelift Corolla can be spec'd with an 18-inch gloss graphite colored wheel. The rear is my favorite angle of the car. It has a very sporty look with these LED tail light designs and the aggressive looking rear bumper and spoiler. I think it looks way better than its sedan sibling. In my opinion, it's one of the nicest looking hatchbacks out there. The facelift also has a slight updated front and rear design as well as a black roof. Moving to the interior, you will immediately notice that it has a very spacious cabin with good visibility throughout. It has a high quality feel with soft touch materials in most places of contact. The build quality of this car is surprisingly premium. The XR variant comes with these nice looking sports seats that have a suede-like finish with a heated function and lumbar support. The rear seats have the same material as the front with decent legroom and headroom. You can comfortably fit 2 adults in the rear and even squeeze in 3. Performance wise, it's equipped with a 1.2 litre turbocharged inline-4 engine that produces 85 kilowatts and 185 Nm of torque. It achieves 0 to 100 in around 10.4 seconds, which puts it right in line against its competitors. It's not the most rapid vehicle you can purchase at this price bracket. It also does not have the most dynamic steering feel, but it's definitely well balanced in terms of performance. It's more focused on a comfortable and relaxing drive. With torque available from as little as 1500 RPMs, overtaking and picking up speed is a breeze. Even with a full load, this little turbocharged engine gets the job done. This particular example has an automatic CVT gearbox, which provides a very smooth driving experience that fits this car's comfortable on-road feel. However, you do feel a delay during shifts when accelerating. You can also get the Corolla in a 6-speed manual. It has decent fuel efficiency, averaging around 6.5 liters per 100 kilometers. It also has an eco mode to improve the fuel economy, and a sport mode that livens up the acceleration and gearbox response, as well as changes the steering feel, making it more suitable for agile driving. In terms of practicality, the car comes with a lot of feature comforts like a clear rear view camera, blind spot monitoring assist, cruise control, electronic handbrake and anti-roll assist. I'm not sure why you would need so many cup holders, but this car has 8 of them. It also has this little storage space in the center console with a 12-volt charging point. It does have a 7-inch infotainment screen, however the software is quite outdated. Later models could be spec'd with a Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The boot is also smaller compared to its rivals, due to it having a full-size spare wheel. So now, let's go for a short drive. picks up really well. Like I said, the torque is delivered from about 1100 revs, and it's more than enough for a daily commuter. Gets the job done for sure. Now there is a performance variant of the Toyota Corolla called the GR, and hopefully I can get my hands on that for review. Okay, let's try the sport mode out, and immediately you notice it has a bit more oomph to it. Let's try from here. The car is much more awake now when you activate the sport mode. So with the new car prices being highly inflated in South Africa at the moment, a lot of my upcoming reviews will be based more on used vehicles. I will also try to get new vehicles onto the channel to share with you guys. If there are any cars in particular you would like to know more about, or if there's anything I left out of this review that you would like me to add for future videos, please comment down below. Your feedback and engagement will be really appreciated. I hope you enjoyed this review, and I'll see you guys next time.